Affiliate marketing, ergo promoting services, products, and software and get a commission out of each purchase. Basically, it's like being an encyclopedia salesman. A good part of my revenue comes from affiliate marketing, and in this video, I'll show you the golden rules you have to follow to make affiliate marketing work and to get passive income out of it. I'm Alessandro and I'm an online marketing expert, and in this channel I give tips and advice on how to create an online business, how to grow it with the customers and clients, and how to make it your real job and leave your corporate one where your boss probably is an asshole. If this sounds good to you, subscribe to the channel with the red button you have below this video and click on the bell. If you click on the bell, you will have notifications every time I will post a new video. Don't worry, I won't annoy you too much. Back to the video's topic. Are you ready for some affiliate marketing 101? Welcome to the Growth Academy. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to get online passive income, and if you follow my channel, you're well aware of it. Unfortunately, many people try using affiliate marketing to get revenue to their business and they fail, mostly because they don't follow some basic rules. So let's start with number one. You need to prefer recurring payment products. I rarely affiliate for a single payment product. I prefer to affiliate for products that have recurring payments, especially if those products are really difficult to quit. I know it sounds like I'm selling drugs, but don't worry, this is totally legal. I'm an affiliator for Teachable, for Active Campaign, for ELEMENTOR, and all those services, they have something in common. They're all services that you have to pay monthly or annually, and they are really difficult to quit and move to the competitors. Let me give you some examples. If I create my website and my landing pages with ELEMENTOR, it's gonna be really difficult and it's gonna take a long time for me to move to the competitors because I have to recreate all my pages with this other tool. And at the same time, if I quit paying for ELEMENTOR, all the pages I've done, well, I can't modify them anymore. Or take Teachable. All my courses are on Teachable. And if I want to stop my subscription with Teachable, well, I'm gonna lose my courses. And if I want to use something, another tool, a competitor tool, I have to move all the things, all the content that I stored in Teachable, and I have to move everything to the new tool, and it will take me a long time. And these are the two characteristics you need to look for in every tool you want to promote. They need to be systems based on recurring payments, and at the same time they have to be really difficult to quit. And now you can make all the jokes about my Italian roots, mafia, whatever. Number two, prioritize tools and products that have long-time cookies. Cookies are the online stalkers. They can see if the purchase you've done is through a recommendation or not. In this case, they check if someone bought something through your affiliate link. And this is something no one pays attention at. No one checks if the product they want to affiliate, this product has long-time cookies or have short-time cookies. To be more precise, let's assume someone clicks on your affiliate link, gets on the products page, but she doesn't buy. Then she revisits the product page not through your affiliate link but through the real link, and she buys the product. If the purchase is within the cookie time, you will get a commission anyway. So now you can realize how important the cookie time is. Amazon, for example, offers just 24-hour cookies on regular affiliate links. I suggest you to promote just products that have long time cookies. The next time you want to promote something, look carefully for the cookie length inside the page in the details of this product. And usually you have to look for this thing for a long time because it's really hidden in the text. It's more or less like those tiny texts that are at the bottom of every contract that end up fucking your life. Number three, choose products you are already using. If you promote a product you're already using consistently, you can teach people how to use it, and you can educate those people to stay on this product and keep paying for it. And that's why it's a good idea to have a blog or have a YouTube channel like this one and publish tutorials and guides on the products that you are affiliating for. As I said, I'm an affiliate for ELEMENTOR, and if you check my channel, you will see a lot of videos where I explain how to use ELEMENTOR. By the way, I think ELEMENTOR is a great tool that you need to have, and if you want to buy it, there is a link in the description. What is this sound? Number 4 is to promote those products just when there is a discount. Apart from the links that you may have in your blog and in your YouTube videos, You need to promote your tools and your products just when there is a discount to your email list, and if you want to use ads like Facebook ads, for example. And if you're using ads, I suggest you to target just the warm audience, just the people that are already watching your videos and reading your content. First is a way to reward your subscribers and followers to watch your content and read your content, so it's a win-win situation. Plus, if you regularly publish tutorials and guides on the products you affiliate for, your followers are well aware on how it's beneficial for them to get this product. And if this product is in a promotion, well, they will be super happy to buy it. If you want to take a look at the real case study, in the description of this video you can download the document where I explain to you how I promoted Elementor on Black Friday. I use Facebook ads and chatbots, and in this document I put all the screenshots for my campaigns, so you have the link in the description. Next advice is strictly connected to the one I just told you. Number 5, sign for those products newsletters. The reasons why you want to be on those newsletters is because when there's gonna be a discount on the tools you are promoting, you're gonna be the first one to know it. And sometimes those tools will send you even the assets that you can use for your campaigns. This, for example, are all the banners that the Elementor team sent me via email for the latest discount they run. And that is everything you need to follow to make affiliate marketing works. If you like this video, you know the drill. You need to subscribe with the red button you have below and click on the bell so you will receive a notification every time I will post a new video on this channel. Question of the day: which of the tips I gave you in this video was the most interesting? Write your answer in the comments, and if you have any question or any feedback, write it there as well, and I will reply to all of them. For the rest, my friend, I'll see you in the comments, or I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!